Hello and welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this LED collar by MASBRILL. This LED collar here I got from my Boston Terrier. Comes in a variety of different sizes. I got a small one because my dog is only 25 pounds, and I got it in pink because I have a female Boston Terrier. I wanted this LED dog collar for my dog so you could see her in the dark when we take her for walks. This particular LED dog collar has three different modes: steady glow, quick flash, and slow flash. It is easy to put on your dog and quickly release off your dog, and it's suitable for all different weathers, including the rain. So this is a little box here explaining all the different features of this dog collar, and as you can see here, this is what the inside of the dog collar looks like. This is actually a rechargeable LED dog collar, so it should last for more than 10 hours on a single charge, which is fantastic. It's super bright, lightweight, easy to be seen outdoors, and its overall should be a great quality LED dog collar. So I'm going to open up the box here. We'll take a closer look at it, then we'll put it on my Boston Terrier and see what it looks like on my Boston Terrier. So here's a quick look at what the LED dog collar looks like before I turn it on. As you can see, here is an on-off switch there. You press it 3 times to go through the different settings. It has a little charging USB-C connector here, so you can connect your USB-C cable to recharge the battery. And here's the clip here. Very simple and easy to put onto your dog. I should put a disclaimer here that if you have epilepsy, you might not want to watch the next part of this video, because I'm going to be testing this LED dog collar and there'll be some blinking involved. So this is the cable here, the USB-C cable that you use to recharge the dog collar. And this is what the collar looks like. As I mentioned, that's the USB-C connector to recharge it. And it's very simple and easy to use. Just charge it up, put it on your dog, and you're ready to go. So now I'm going to test the LED dog collar. So this is the steady color here, very nice and bright in pink. As I mentioned, it comes in a variety of different colors. I got mine in pink because I have a Boston Terrier, female Boston Terrier. But so far it's very bright and noticeable from a large distance away. So you press the button again, you get the blinking mode here, which is very noticeable as well. And then you get a slow blink as well if you press it again like this. This collar comes in pink, red, blue, green, orange, and purple. It comes in a small, medium, and large size. It's made of polyester, stainless steel, plastic, and a couple of other dog-safe materials. So this is the LED dog collar on my dog. You can see how bright it is. Even though we're indoors with lights on, you can still notice this LED dog collar very easily. It's nice and bright. So this LED dog collar comes in a variety of different colors and 3 different sizes, from small, medium, and large. It's very bright, has 3 different modes for blinking, solid, and middle between the 2, blinking and solid. And it will definitely get your dog noticed in the dark. This is the MASBRILL LED dog collar. Thanks for watching my review. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.